Hello, and today I'm going to be discussing the subtraction demonstration of second graders through fourth graders for math problems. Here are the standards for each grade level. Second grade is to use place value understanding and properties of operations, addition and subtraction. We're focusing on. Third grade is to use place value to add and subtract specifically. Fourth grade is to use place value understanding and properties of operations to perform a multi-digit arithmetic. And I'm going to go into more depth on each slide. So the subtraction problem I was assigned is this one, 300 minus 182. For second grade, in more depth, is to add and subtract within 1,000 relating to the strategy to a written method using concrete models or drawings. Strategies based on place value, properties of operations, and a relationship between addition and subtraction. These are the methods used in second grade. The one I'm going to demonstrate is the strategies based on place value. In this next video, I'm going to show you how I did this. For this place value method for second grade, using 300 minus 182, I used this place value mat and first made 300 using 300 blocks. Next, I took away 100 on these 100 boards, which left me 200. Next, I subtracted 80 from the 100 board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This left me with 2 10 sticks at the end. So I'm going to delete the 100 board. Delete the 100 board and make 2 10s and put them in the 10 place. Tens place. Now I have 110, 20 left. Now I just need to subtract 2 from 120. And this, after crossing off 2, I have 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this leaves me 118. Oops. Oh, not right today, friends. Okay, this leaves me 118. And this is represented after the drawings like this. 108, 1 10 stick, and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 118. So from that video, first I made 300 using a place value map. So I put all the hundreds boards into that place, and then I took away 100 from 300, which left me 200. And then I took away 80 from 200, and this left 120. And then all I had left was 2, and that gave me 118. So this might be a way that a student might work out the problem using this place value map. For this place value method, so next is third grade. For 3rd grade, more information about the standard is add and subtract whole numbers up to and including 1000, similar to 2nd grade, using estimation strategies to address reasonableness of answers. Model and explain how the relationship between addition and subtraction can be applied to solve addition and subtraction problems. And last, use expanded form to decompose numbers and then find sums and differences. So the strategy I'm going to demonstrate is the relationship between addition and subtraction, as mentioned in this screenshot right here, down here, where we're going to change the subtraction to addition. Here is my demonstration.
For this next method, for 3rd grade, we're looking at the relationship between addition and subtraction. Using this problem, 300 minus 182. So first we're going to change this subtraction problem into an addition problem. So now it's 182 plus something equals 300. So first I'm going to take 180 and I'm going to add 20 in 20 increments. This will give me 200, because 80 plus 20 equals 100, and by adding the extra 100, that equals 200. And next, we are going to take 200 from where we ended, and we're going to add 80, which will get us to 200 plus 80 equals 280. By adding the 0 and 8 in the tens place, and the zeros in the ones place, and just add the 2 at the hundreds place. And next, we are going to start by using 280, and we gotta figure out how much we need to get to 300. And this is 20, because 20 plus 80 again is 100. So by adding 200 plus 100, this equals 300. And 300 is where we need to get to. And to check our work, we are going to add these middle digits, and this should be the answer in the middle. So 20 plus 20 equals 40. And if you add 80, that gives us 120. So we're going to start with these numbers and add them together, and this gives us 120. 80, 120.
So this video changed the problem from separate result unknown to a join change unknown problem. So I started off with the tens place, and I subtracted 20 from 120, and this gave me 200. And then I added 80 to 200, and that gave me 280. Next, I counted up by 10 to see how many were needed to make 300, and this was 20. And lastly, I added 80 and 20 and 20, which gave me 120 to make sure that my answer was correct. And this is how I got my answer of 118. And students may work out this problem similarly with changing this answer. They might move the numbers around, but I chose to do it this way. Where's my cursor? Okay, oh no. Next slide. Okay, next slide. So finally, 4th grade. The standard, as I mentioned in more detail, is to add and subtract multi-digit whole numbers up to and including 100,000, using the standard algorithm with place value understanding. And the strategy I'm going to demonstrate is the standard algorithm as mentioned in the standard and with flexibility, because I'm going to show a different sort of semi-method. Alright, so here's my demonstration. Sorry to do this. Here we go.
For this last method, going on to 4th grade, we are going to use the standard algorithm to complete 300 minus 182. So I'm going to use a different method of doing the standard algorithm because it will be more clear and easier, but it is still a standard algorithm since there can be flexibility. So we're going to start with 300 minus 100 instead. And since the zeros are canceling out, we just go down with 200 with 3 minus 1. Cross these out. Next, we will go with 200 minus 80. And from here, we will cross out the zeros, and we will move to the 0 in the tens place and make this a 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. And we need to put a 0 here, actually, in the ones place. And then we'll make this a 1. Since we took a 1 from the tens place, now the hundreds place is a 1. And we have to bring this down to make 120. And next, we are doing 120, subtract 2, since that's the last ones that we have. And with this, we just subtract 2 from 20, and that leaves us 18. And then we bring down the 1. This gives us 118. And if we want to check our work, make sure I did it right, we got the answer right, using the standard algorithm, we can add 118 to 182. Sometimes we're going to make it confused about adding small numbers to bigger numbers, but since the commutative property, you can do that. This is a